I'm going to unwrap this game, Moon. And why am I making this video? Because I'm... And I wanted to open it. So I'm making an unwrapping video for this game Moon that I got today, the 14th, February 15th. It came out January 13th, and I don't know, I just saw it at GameStop, and just bought it. So, I got it new, as you can see. And it says $29.99, but it was actually $19.99. I don't know. And I'm trying to find other things that I can unbox instead of unwrap. Because unboxing is better than unwrapping. I can get this open. Here we go. Sorry that it took so long to unwrap. Or at least start to unwrap. I haven't finished. So here's the game. No stickers on it, fortunately. So if you open it up like normal, game, and it doesn't look like there's a booklet for this game. Yeah, there's a booklet behind the health and safety precautionary. This booklet, put that in the front. There's the game Moon. I hate how they put DS games in this little square thing and makes something else. So there's the unwrapping, the very long trying to unwrap video.